Hey, Mopar time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1973 Plymouth Duster 2-door sports hardtop. This particular vehicle powered by a 340 V8 underneath the hood. FYI, if you do take a look at the VIN, you will notice that is not an original V8 car, and yes, the K member has been changed in this one. Automatic transmission paired up with that 340 V8. Let's take a look at the chrome grille, headlight surrounds. Check out the shape of that. From what I can see, this is a B3 Basin Street blue car, according to the fender tag, and you'll be able to see the fender tag, engine bay, interior in the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. You can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Flat black stripe down to the 340 insignia on the rear of this car. But you get a good look at it. As you can see, it's pretty much free of any nicks, dings, scratches. You're going to have a few spots here and there where you have a touch-up, say like that right there. Maybe a little spot right there. But again, it's one to drive, have some fun in. Take it to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Bench seat up front, shift around the column. Pretty stock looking interior with the exception of the aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust, Flowmaster mufflers on it. Take a look at the rear chrome. Flat black wing. Once again, all the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Probably 80 to 90 pictures of this car online, I would guess. Take a look up and down the driver's side. We'll fire it up here too in a second. Let's check out the interior a little bit closer. All right, first door panels. Now you're going to see floor mats in here. I do have pictures in with the still pictures where you can see the carpeting underneath the floor mats. Do have some wear in the vinyl on the driver's seat here, make you aware of. Not so much in the passenger or the rear. Seat belt still intact. Let's take a look at the headliner. All right, let's just go ahead and start this up. A little cold-blooded. We're gonna let it warm up a second. Let's hear it run. Starts easily. See the fuel gauge works. Alternator came up there. And you do have oil pressure down here and temperature gauge. Got it warmed up a little bit. Like I said, a little bit cold-blooded. Wanted to warm it up for you. Take a look at the dash. Nice crack. I did not have the radio or wipers working, FYI. Flip around to the back, so you hear it run. Tell it's got a little cam to it. Throw the exhaust. Again, Flowmaster's on. If you look at the underside, you're going to notice that. And take a look at the underside so you can see the pans, floor pans in it, and the rest of the undersides. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay. Look at the 340 underneath there, and we'll wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's the hood pop. As you can see, those hood scoops are actually functional. Again, here's our fender tag. You will be able to see pictures of that along with the VIN and the still pictures. Smooth running 340. Sounds good. Like I said, Kelly got a little pan to it. 1973 Plymouth Duster 2-door sports hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Just check with your sales consultant on any questions that you may have.